In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to download data for multiple stocks at the same time and also do some portfolio analysis. We're going to start off by installing our packages here: Import Pandas as PD, Import YFinance as YF, run that block. And next we're going to come down and we're going to store our variables in a list. Now these variables are going to be strings of each ticker. So we're going to start with SPY, and we're going to try over to QQQ. I will throw in DJIA, and let's throw in IWM as well. We can run that, and now we have our tickers defined. So here we're going to download a portfolio of tickers. Now instead of downloading one ticker and passing that through the YF download function, we're going to pass through the entire list of all the tickers. And the YF download function allows us to do that, and after that we're going to define our start date, which is going to be a year from today. Now we'll download this stock data, and what we're going to do is we're going to index adjusted close. I did this in one of my earlier tutorials where I show you how to download stock data of just one stock. After this, we're going to do returns equals portfolio dot %_change, and we're going to pass through parentheses, make sure it's a function. That'll calculate our percent change. Next, we're going to go to portfolio just to view what we have, and now you can see those are all of our tickers and our stock prices. And our returns. You can see our returns. You are missing a date before, and that is because you're doing a percent change over one to another. And if there isn't something before, you can't do a change. We're going to drop that first value, and now our returns data frame is nice and clean. Next, we're going to define our weights. So we're going to do weights equals, and we're going to do an equal weighted portfolio here, 0.25 for each value. You could do this however you would like. If you want half your portfolio to be in the SPY, and then you divvy it up amongst the rest. However you feel, you could change this variable and rerun the whole script, as we'll show later. Now we're going to go down to another line, and we're going to do returns times weights. This will give us our weighted returns per each individual ticker, as you see here. But we want to store this in a data frame, so that's what we're going to do here, weighted underscore returns, and we're going to run that same exact function. Next, we're going to define our portfolio underscore ret variable. We're going to do equals weighted underscore returns dot sum axis equals 1. Now, this is essentially going to sum up each weighted return by every day. And we'll see the list here. We run portfolio underscore ret. And you could see that this sums up each variable. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to take the total sum of this now and take the sum of this new entire column. Once we run this function, you can see we have 0.18% or 18.8% on this portfolio. Now, what makes this even more powerful with the script is we could simply change our tickers here. So here's Tesla. We can replace QQQ with AVGO or Broadcom, DJIA with Amazon, and IWM with something like Apple. Now we can go to runtime, run all, and now we can see we have a new portfolio return.